warrant! Put me a police search warrant!
When you burst into people's homes, nasty things do happen. This SWAT team believes there's a large supply of marijuana here. The police posted this video on the web, and it went viral. They rush in the house, shoot the dog, terrify the kid.
The video speaks for itself. They're not pulling hair, they're not swearing, they're not knocking people on their faces. They're walking through the house, police with a search warrant, police with a search warrant. If a pit bull is attempting to bite a police officer, I think they have legal authority to stop the dog from biting them. I know they shot the pit bull because the pit bull was reportedly a threat. A federal magistrate found the officers did nothing wrong in that case.
Nothing wrong, even though they didn't find that large supply of marijuana, just a tiny amount.
When you're using SWAT teams to serve warrants on people suspected of drug crimes, you are creating violence and confrontation where there was none before.
Police work is dangerous. They don't know what they're going to face at the other side of the door. They're just protecting themselves and making sure it's over quickly.
If you're breaking into somebody's house in the middle of the night, their first instinct is going to be that another drug dealer is, trying to rob them or rip them off.
So police want protective equipment. SWAT teams often get that and more from the Pentagon.
In the early days, it involved Rolo's house.
But sometimes SWAT teams raid homes of people who didn't even do that. They raided the home of Bob and Addie Hart, former CIA employees. Why?
When my son was in 6th grade, he and I built a hydroponic garden in our basement.
A police officer spotted Bob and his kids coming out of the gardening store, wrote down his license plate number, and told the sheriff's department they left with a small bag of merchandise. 8 months later,
the county sheriff sent a raid team to our house for a full-blown drug raid.
We hear banging and screaming on the door a little before 7:30 in the morning. I'm hiding under the covers.
Reach out, open the door. Immediately, I'm on the ground, face down, hands behind my head. I'm staring at this guy's boots. He's standing over me with an assault rifle, and everybody's yelling, "Are there children in the house?"
The police knew nothing about Bob and Addie's work history.
We've held top secret security clearances that we've had background checks for my job.
They kept us under armed guard for 2.5 hours while they searched, as near as we can tell, every square inch of our house.
We didn't find out why this team had come to our house until more than a year later.
They must have told you.
Well,
no.
All they were told was,
there are narcotics in this home and we are going to find them.
But they didn't. The officers even gave the Harts a receipt. No items